What's up guys, Alec here, and in this video you're going to learn how to add closed captions to your Facebook videos. And this is going to be for your personal account on Facebook and for your Facebook page. This is due to the fact that the way you do it for a personal page is different to the way you do it for an actual Facebook page. So once you have your video you want to upload with its dedicated subtitle file, which is an SRT file, and real quick, if you don't have one of those, you can just head over to VEED, auto-transcribe your audio into text, and then download that as an SRT file. It's done in seconds, and now you have your SRT file dedicated for that video. So if you don't have your SRT file, head over to veed.io. Okay, so once you're on your Facebook page, very simple, you just want to create a post by clicking on photo and video. Then the Finder will pop up and you just want to choose the video you want to upload. Click on open, and then a Facebook window will open up, and this is where you create your post. So let's just say I'm going to call it test video. You can add a description if you want to, and what you want to do to add your subtitles is click on this section here which says subtitles and captions CC, and as you can see, even Facebook recommend adding subtitles to your videos. This is because there was a study on Facebook back in 2018 I think, which demonstrated that up to 85% of Facebook's users watch videos with the sound off. So once you've clicked on this section, you just want to click on upload, and then you want to select your SRT file. Now I'm going to choose this one, but I'm going to show you in a second that this one isn't actually going to work, and here's why. If I click on upload, it says you uploaded an SRT file with an incorrect file name. Please use this format. So if I have a look, it says the file name .en.us.srt. So basically this is English, the US version .srt. So if I just go to my file, I'm just going to rename it now. All I have to do is after the dot en_us.srt. And now if I do it, I go back to upload, click on the same file once it's been renamed, hit open, and then Facebook has now accepted it. So as we can see here, it says uploaded English. I can then review and edit it if I want to. And a great thing about Facebook pages is that you can actually add more than one. So if I wanted to add another language, I would then click on upload again, and I would select another set of subtitles in a different language. The reason you have to format it like this is if I was trying to add subtitles in French, I would have to end it in FR and then FR again. So this means French from France. And then there are hundreds of different formats for different countries, but you get the picture. Once you have done that, you can then click next, and then you can publish your post, etc. Now I'm going to show you how to do it for a personal page. So now if I go onto my personal Facebook account, I'm just going to click again on photo and video. I'm going to select the video that I want to upload, and you'll notice that here a window doesn't actually pop up. If I click on these little dots, I can't find anything else that allows me to add subtitles. So what I've done is I've selected this, I've changed this to only me because I don't want people to see the video yet, but I would then hit post. And what I want to do is wait until my video is actually uploaded. Okay, now I've got the notification. It says your video is ready to view and watch. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to click on pause. And if I go and click on options here, I then have the option to edit this video. So I'm going to click on edit this video. Then this is then going to take me to a page where I can edit a bunch of stuff about the video, and I can also upload SRT files. Click on choose file, and then you can upload your subtitles. Now I do want to mention for a personal page you can actually upload only one version of subtitles, but that is how you add subtitles to your Facebook videos. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. If this video is helpful, hit the like button and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.